and today we are doing a slime video. Okay, this is my first slime. Okay, I might forget where the camera is at some point because I can't remember. And I'm staring through the camera. Oh, okay, I will be right. Okay, I'm back. I just had to do something. Where's the slime? I know it's not that good. Okay, enough with this slime. Let's go on to the next slime. I suck at doing stuff with one hand. Okay, that's the slime that I did. Now this is the slime that sucks because I put snow in it. If you wanted to see a video of that, just ask me on TikTok. Okay, where's... Okay. It's a little cold because I put snow in it yesterday. Do you like the way that I'm filming today? I'm using my hand. Next time I might have a person filming for me. You know, the person behind the camera. Do you remember that boy? He's going to be the cameraman next time I film. Because then, if I get store-bought slimes, I might not film for a while, if that's okay with you guys. If I don't film, is that going to be okay? If I don't film the 25th, is that okay because Christmas and all, and I'm busy? Okay, I had to struggle, of course. Ooh, my old favorite slime won't get out of the container. Okay, guys, I call this the scrambled eggs. Okay, sorry if I'm shaking. It's not a butter slime either. If you want something live, I will give you something live. Or like playing with slime, or Bed Wars, or Fortnite. Sorry if it's too shaky. Is this too close, guys? Oop, I can't find this. Stretchy. Oops, sorry. Okay, you can't follow me on TikTok because I don't got TikTok, but you can't follow me on Instagram. If you have Messenger, kids, let me know. Okay, on to the next slime. I will be right back. Okay, now here is a slime that sucks. Why do I never open it before I get on the camera? Okay, here's my dish soap slime. I'm sorry that I did not film a video of making that. If they add a smell, I will show you what it smells like. Ew! If you break it up, you can't even... It won't go together. See, this slime sucks. I can't find it. You can't even poke it. You know what? On to the next slime. Wait, you know what? Sorry if you do not like the way that I put you. Because I'm facing the opposite way. And now you will see my ceiling. I wonder what you're seeing right now. Because I can't tell. Because I'm on the tab. Okay, now I can pick it up. What did you guys see? I was about to show myself and be like, "Hi, people." And then back. And then be like, oh, okay, sorry, my sweatshirt. Take it off during video. This is a bad slime. No. I'll tell you how I make it at the end. Wait. You guys see this? See how bad that is, you know? I mean... Now, the last slime in a container. this Tide slime. If you play with Tide slime, well, after you eat, you're just like, oh my gosh, I can't taste, because it tastes like Tide, you know? It smells like Tide and it tastes like Tide. Tide? Okay, whatever. Okay, I need a cameraman. I'll pay. Sorry if it's so small. I used clear slime. I changed the color. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Okay. Have fun, guys. I'll see you guys next time, kids. Bye.